No matter what cryptocurrency you're interested in right now, one of the most major things that we've got going on in the market is the Bitcoin spot ETF approval. I do believe that this is going to lead to institutional inflows like we have never seen before and could absolutely lead us to the bull market rally that's expected to take place over the next couple years. Now, with that being said, I want to focus in a little bit on Ripple's XRP in this video. And Ripple is a company. We're going to be talking about Ripple. We're going to be talking about the fact that they may be IPOing soon. There might be an initial public offering and what that could mean for the price of XRP. And I'm also going to discuss what was going on with the, I guess, fake news surrounding Bitcoin's ETF approval yesterday and the fact that Cointelegraph came out and did a very good job of showing exactly what happened and how they're going to make sure it doesn't happen again. So let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a pro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, get a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're getting 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you've got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Guys, this is actually a pretty interesting article, something that a lot of people expect to happen, but we don't necessarily know when yet. Now, I came across this article, and it's called, the headline is Ripple Job Posting Hints at Possible IPO, or Initial Public Offering, and the XRP community says, this role and responsibilities listed for the potential candidate are often criteria linked to the requirements for a company considering an IPO. Fintech payments company Ripple released a new job posting on October 16th for a shareholder communications senior manager across multiple locations in and outside of the United States. The job posting prompted many crypto enthusiasts to label it as an official hint about the company's plans to go public. Well, I don't know if it's a hint, guys. It's a job posting, right? It's not a hint at anything. If that's what they're going to be doing, that's what they're going to be doing. The job posting outlines that the role will require direct communication with shareholders, a concept generally associated with publicly traded companies, because otherwise, they would essentially be employees or private shareholders. And that's still a possibility. If they've got institutional holders out there, if they've got these sophisticated investors out there, they still might need somebody to be a liaison between the two, and this doesn't guarantee that the company's going to be going public. The chosen candidate will be responsible for developing and implementing communications and relationship management strategies for existing and prospective investors, current shareholders, and financial analysts. The job description emphasizes the candidate's need to create strategic plans specifically suited for situations like mergers and acquisitions, investments, liquidity events, and other high-impact moments. The role includes creating investor-focused materials like presentations, fact sheets, case studies, and analysis to inform and educate potential investors about the company's prospects and performance, a necessary component of the initial public offering process. The responsibilities of the post also include maintaining a shareholder database and managing routine communications like quarterly updates. So it does almost seem like if you're maintaining shareholder databases, that's not necessarily something that you would be able to see retail investors on an individual level. There's, street name investors or street holders, and then there's the, institutional brokers that shares are held by. So don't think that they're going to have access to your information if you're not holding directly, or if you're not directly registered with Ripple as an investor there. But this is going to have a huge impact on Ripple as a company. And now, what it does for the price of XRP is yet to be seen. Couple questions that I like to bring up whenever we discuss it in the live streams. What it means for the price of XRP if Ripple goes public. Couple things to think about. Will people be taking money out of XRP and moving it over into the stock? If that's the case, we might see XRP's price drop a little bit. If the money raised in this IPO goes to drastically further business purposes, we could see the price of XRP increase. So there's going to be a lot to take in and a lot to look at when you're looking at Ripple's XRP and trying to determine what price action is going to take place after a potential IPO here. But I've done a couple of videos in the past, and a lot of analysts believe that Ripple is going to be valued somewhere around $35 a share. I believe it was in maybe the $50 billion range and so on. But over time, they expect it to reach multiple hundreds of billions of dollars in valuation. That's not to say that XRP is going to reach hundreds of billions of dollars in valuation, but the stock would reach hundreds of billions of dollars in valuation. So please keep that in mind if you are looking to a Ripple IPO anytime in the future. Now, one of the things that I want to touch on is Cointelegraph's clarification on the sharing of that Bitcoin ETF news. Just to talk about how it happened real quick. It says, Cointelegraph apologizes to its readers and discusses its investigation into what led to the posting of unverified news on X about a Bitcoin spot ETF. We are incredibly grateful for the support for the last 10 years. Earlier today, during a routine coverage, Cointelegraph's social media team posted a message on X without prior editorial approval, stating that the United States Securities and Exchange Commission had approved BlackRock's iShares Spot Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund, or ETF. This was false, the result of misinformation. The news originated from an unconfirmed screenshot posted by an X user who claimed it was from Bloomberg Terminal. Cointelegraph did not ultimately publish an article on this information, but they deeply regret posting this in error on X and the impact that it caused. So basically what happens? The timeline of events. An editorial team was alerted to the rumored news through a Telegram channel that Cointelegraph employees use to discover stories that might be of interest. And after looking at that, it says employee 1 reposted the text of the lead shared by a Telegram account that has since been deleted to an internal Slack channel. In an effort to publish developments as soon as possible, employee 2 posted the report to X without prior confirmation of the source's veracity from the editor. This violates Cointelegraph's social media process, in which source confirmation and editorial approval are required before posting. Readers reported the issue to Cointelegraph in social media channels. They flagged it, they edited it, and then they ultimately removed it when they reached out to BlackRock to confirm that their ETF had not been approved. So, guys, it was a mistake. People try to jump on things and be as fast as they can. And it's crazy that this mistake led to billions of dollars in value creation, and then, of course, billions of dollars in value wiped out. It's very tough to see that happen, and yes, it was a mistake. It was a mistake on a couple parts, not by following protocol, and it was a mistake, obviously, because the news was incorrect. So I want to know what you guys think. Regardless of that, what do you think about Ripple and the IPO that could potentially be coming here? Is it good? Is it bad? Are you going to be holding XRP through it? And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.